Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel, and if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Adedoyin and I create natural hair content. In today's video, I am going to be talking about a product that a lot of people actually use. This product, a lot of people love this product, but personally I do not like this product, and I'm going to be showing you the reason why I do not like this product in today's video. Okay, and that product is none other than this hair wax. A lot of YouTubers use this product, a lot of Instagrammers use this product to lay their edges, to make their edges look sleek and look cute and all of that. But I personally do not like this product. I decided to get this product because a lot of people were using it on Instagram and on YouTube, to try it out and to see what the craze is all about. And I got this product last year and I used it, and a few minutes after I used it, I did not like how my hair started behaving. I started having some white cast all over my edges, and it wasn't looking cute at all. So I now had to start asking myself, people that use this product on Instagram or YouTube, is it that they use this product only for YouTube or for the video, or they actually carry it out like that? And doesn't it leave white cast on their hair like it does for my own hair? But I'm going to be doing it, I'm going to be demonstrating it in this video, how I use it, also how it leaves a white cast thing on my hair after a while. And that's just the reason why I don't like it. And as for the ingredient, there is nothing to talk about the ingredient because there's no ingredients on this product. It just comes like this, and it has this very thick consistency. It looks like it's a hair wax. I wasn't expecting less, I wasn't expecting more. Okay, so let's just go into how I apply it. And so basically, I'm not supposed to use it on dry hair, or if I'm supposed to use it on dry hair, let me know in the comment section. Okay, but okay, what I'm going to do is this side of my hair, I'm going to apply some water to it before applying the hair wax, and this side I'm not going to apply water, and then I'm just going to apply it directly on my hair like that. Okay, so I'm just going to brush out my edges now so that I can apply the hair wax, so I can slick down my edges. Okay.
Wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
This is what it looks like after I've applied this immediately. It looks cute, but the reason why it looks oily is because there's powder on my face. I already moisturized that part, so that's the reason why it looks different. But it's still really okay now. Now let's apply it to this place without adding water to it first. Okay. Edge control, or this hair wax, is actually, it's really thick, and it has a very strong hold. I mean, your hair is actually going to be really solid after you have used it, because that is how my edges feel right now. My hair feels so sticky and really solid, if that makes sense. Yeah, done with this side. So we are done with this side. This video is not a tutorial on how to lay your edges, so I'm not going to like just go into so much details on how to lay my edges and all of that. So after a while now, I'm going to start seeing some white cast on my hair, because right now there's no white cast on my hair. Everything still looks nice, apart from the fact that, you know, that place looks oily, and that's because there's powder on my face. That is the reason why this place looks different, but I can fix that by just dabbing powder on it. But that is by the way. So after a while now, I'm going to come back and you see that there will be white casts on my hair. Okay, so guys, this is after about 45 minutes, 45 minutes of applying this hair wax, and I can already see the white cast on my edges, and it's not looking cute at all. I don't know if you guys can see it from far. Let me move closer to you guys so that you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is exactly what it looks like. Can you see the white cast on my hair? Just ignore the fact that I have a big forehead and focus on the fact that there are some white cast on my hair after applying this hair wax, which is actually not cute. It doesn't even look nice at all. So I don't really get why people like this particular hair wax. I don't know how people use it. If you have used this product before, if you have used this hair wax before and it doesn't leave white cast like this on your hair, let me know in the comment section, and also let me know how you use it, because this hair wax has a really nice hold. I mean, it holds the hair really nicely, but it has this white cast that it leaves on the hair after about 35 to 40 minutes of applying it to the hair, which I really do not like, because if you are going to be wearing this thing out, I mean, you are going to spend more than 35 minutes outside, and you know, your hair will now start looking like old woman's hair, which is actually not cute, because we're actually trying to slick our edges and to make the edges look cute and nice. But what are we having? White cast, old woman's hair. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video, guys. Like I said, let me know in the comment section if you have used this hair wax before, and if you have a different experience from mine. Let me know. I would really want to know. And if you also agree with my own review, if you agree with my experience, if you have experienced this same thing before, let me know in the comment section as well. Okay, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye.